Hello, welcome to my channel. Today we are going to be reviewing and building this chair that I bought off Amazon. And if you like this chair, I will link it in the description below. Yeah. I'm using my phone as a microphone. I'm gonna put it on like this. I think you can still hear me. Alright, let's open it. I hope that you guys can still hear me, or else I'll be very upset. We got the descriptions over here. Color, beige, all this extra stuff. This is So in the box, we have instructions. I never read the instructions. And I'm not going to start today. Oh, this is heavy. I'm back. I got all the parts out of the box because I kept knocking over my ring light. But now let's unpackage it. Oh, what is that smell? Okay, the audio cut out, but right here I'm just reading the instructions to learn how to put the chair together. Okay, so this part right here goes on the bottom of the chair. And there are two set of screws. There's small screws and there's long screws. You take the small screws and then you use the small screws to screw in this bottom piece to the bottom cushion. And the holes are pretty aligned, so it's pretty much common sense, but there are pictures on the instructions to help you. Okay, and now you want to take the top cushion and use the long screws to screw in the top cushion to the bottom cushion. For this was actually really heavy, and I struggled with this part the most. But you have to align the holes on the top cushion to the holes on the bottom piece. So there's 4 holes. 2 of the holes go directly into the bottom cushion, and then the other 2 holes go through the bottom piece and then into the cushion. And honestly, the holes itself are pretty self-explanatory, so you shouldn't have any problem other than lifting it. Okay, now the final step is just to take the chair and put it on the stand. Again, this was also a really hard part for me because this chair is actually heavy. Okay, so I'm finally done. That was definitely a workout, but now for the review of this chair. Honestly, I'll give this chair a 9 out of 10. As you can see, it goes pretty far back, so that's definitely a plus for me. And it's really stable. Like, you can go so far back and not fall off. Also, there's no wheels, so it doesn't slide anywhere. And it has a lot of space and is pretty comfortable. Other than the smell, I would definitely recommend this chair. It's a pretty good chair. Yep. Thank you for watching, and that's it. Bye.